Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've been trying to transition into fall lately, and this is my outfit today. I put on like this little cardigan over this rusty kind of cranberry-ish colored shirt, and then I just have some jeans on, and these are from American Eagle. They're actually a size too big. They're a size 12, and they're a little too big, but they're really cute. And then you just put this over it, and that's what I'm wearing. And for makeup today, I decided to get out the old Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, and this is what it looks like. It's basically just a bunch of warm red cranberry shades, and I love these shades on my eyes. I just think they make blue eyes pop, and I think they would work great for green or brown. These are just like those universal shades. So if you want to see this eye makeup look, then just go ahead and keep watching.
I'm starting out with the shade Transition. I just think that's such a perfect name for a your first lay down shade. I mean, how do you get any better than the name Transition? I mean, you've got to start with that when you've got that in your palette. So I'm starting with that one and just working that into the crease, and I'm bringing it all the way up to the brow. The other day, Wayne Goss was talking about if you want to open up like a small eye or a hooded eye, bring your outside shade all the way up to the brow, and that'll just kind of elongate the eye and open it up more. So that's I've been trying to do that lately, and it's really been working out pretty good. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just building it up and building it up until I get it to the color I want. And now I'm going in with the shade Are You Kidding Me, and just packing that into the crease. And I've been packing lately rather than swiping across it because it's my eye is so soft, like the skin around it. And so by holding it down and packing the color in, the color is not blending out so much. You know, sometimes you can overblend something and then you lose your two different colors. They just kind of become all one. Well, packing it in, that helps you not to do that as much. And so that's what I've been kind of doing lately. I'll pack it down and then swipe, pack it down, swipe. Okay, now I'm going in with that cranberry shade Wine and Dine, and I'm packing that in and doing the same kind of motions. I'll pack and swipe, pack and swipe. And I just think that's working out. This one's kind of a hard shade to work with, but I expected that because that wine color shade is just a hard shade. And so you just keep packing it down until, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover it up. So with the shade Teddy Bear, this is that dark shade on the bottom row, and we're just going to take a pencil brush and just pack that in. If you pack it around the tape, it'll give you like a nice winged out color. So I think that tape really helps to make everything blend just the right way. And so then we're going to like just bring that up a little bit, because since you brought your transition color all the way to the brow, you can actually bring your darker shade past your crease a little bit, and it'll just kind of bring the whole eye up. Now I'm going in, I wet my finger with some Fix Plus, and I'm going in with the shade On Fleek and just packing that onto the lid. I think that really brought everything together. It made the look like warm back up, and I just thought that was a perfect shade to go along with all the matte shades. And so I just build that up until it's all covered. Now I'm switched up liners today. I'm going in with the NYC liquid liner. This one's kind of hard to find, and I think I had to buy it from Amazon, but it worked out really good. But is very wet. Like, you cannot touch it for a little while, and so you got to be careful with that. But it worked out really good. I thought that looked really good. Okay, so now I'm going to go in on the bottom lash line with the shade Teddy Bear and just kind of push that into the waterline and into like underneath the eye. And I'm only going halfway in. So we're just going to keep our dark shades on the outside. And then I'm going to take the pencil brush and lightly go across it with the Wine and Dine color, just to keep that purplish cranberry look going underneath the eye, but not too dramatic. Alright, now I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Lash. Here is where you would apply false lashes. I think that would really help the look. And now I'm going in with a flat shader brush and just packing the shade Crystal right into the inner corner. I think that's exactly what the look needed to keep it from being too dark and smoky. That just brightens it up. And then I'm going to pack that same shade underneath the brow. And it lightens the eye back up. It keeps it from being too dark and smoky. And so I think that really helped the look out. And then you can clean up underneath it if you put too much. Just use one of your brushes that you were using before and just kind of go over it. And then that'll kind of give it, like, it'll take that line away. And then give it one last check. And that's it.
Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment down below of some things that you might want to see. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.